Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn Lewis structures using easy, visual steps. We will start with the basic rules, then solve examples like water, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, nitrogen gas, and formaldehyde. A Lewis structure is a simple drawing that shows where the valence electrons go. There are three key ideas. First, the budget. Each atom brings a fixed number of valence electrons. Second, the goal. Most atoms want 8 electrons around them, but hydrogen only needs 2. Third, sharing. A single bond is 2 electrons, a double bond is 4, and a triple bond is 6. Example 1. Water, H2O. Step 1, count valence electrons. Hydrogen has 1 each, so 2 total. Oxygen has 6. Total is 8 electrons. Step 2, oxygen goes in the center. Step 3, make 2 single bonds to hydrogen. Step 4, place the remaining 4 electrons as 2 lone pairs on oxygen. Example 2, carbon dioxide, CO2. Count valence electrons. Carbon has 4. Each oxygen has 6, so 12 total from oxygen. Altogether, we have 16 electrons. Start with a single bond skeleton. Oxygen, carbon, oxygen. Carbon does not reach 8, so we form double bonds. Final structure is O double bond, C double bond. With 2 lone pairs on each oxygen. Example 3, methane, CH4. Total valence electrons are 8. Carbon goes in the center. Make 4 single bonds to hydrogen that uses all 8 electrons, and everyone reaches a full shell. Example 4, ammonia, NH3. Total valence electrons are 8. Nitrogen goes in the center with 3 single bonds to hydrogen. We then place the remaining 2 electrons as a lone pair on nitrogen. Example 5, nitrogen gas, N2, shows a triple bond. Each nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, total 10. A triple bond shares 6 electrons, and each nitrogen keeps 1 lone pair. Now a tricky one. Formaldehyde, CH2O, budget, carbon 4, oxygen 6, hydrogen 2, total 12 electrons. Skeleton, carbon in the center, 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen attached. Oxygen gets lone pairs, then carbon is short, so we make a double bond to oxygen. Final structure has C double bond O and 2 hydrogens on carbon. Let us summarize. Use the budget of valence electrons. Connect atoms with single bonds first. Complete octets on outside atoms. If the center atom is short, create double or triple bonds. Lewis structures help us predict shape, bonding, and reactivity.